Hi everyone, today I'll teach you how to change font on Roblox PC or laptop. First, open up your web browser and go to any font website, but I'd recommend using this one. It's called thefont.com. Go ahead and try to browse any font that you like, and after browsing, go ahead and click the download button on the right of the font you like, as so. Once downloaded, go to the folder and extract the folder into the desktop so it's not that hard. Once extracted, I want you to go ahead and click on the extracted file right here and try to move it on the desktop for a while. There you go. And then make 5 copies of these. As for example, press on Ctrl C and then Ctrl V for 5 times. Now, since you made 5 copies, I will show you font names here as you had to copy this exactly as it is on the screen. Now, I want you to go ahead and rename each one of them to the exact name that is currently on the screen as so. Once you successfully rename each of them, I want you to go ahead and copy all 5 of these fonts right here, Ctrl C. Then I want you to go ahead and right click on the Roblox player and click on Open File Location. Once on Open File Location, press on Content and then Fonts. Once in the font area, I want you to go ahead and click on Ctrl V. Alright, and then click on Replace the files in this destination. Once done, I want you to go ahead and open up the Roblox player and play some games to see if it has been successfully finished or been successfully changed to the font that you like. Now let's go ahead and try any game right here. Now we can enter any game and check if the font has changed. There we go. As you can see, the font has been successfully changed. If it hasn't changed for you, then the game is using a different font than the ones we changed. I hope this tutorial video on how to change the font on Roblox PC or laptop was helpful. If so, please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Have a good day.